You are going to love the 2016 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.